This is Dolly back with another tutorial to show you guys how to do the updated gestures. So I had recorded a video before about how to do gestures, but that is no longer accurate and it wasn't working for a few people. So I had some resources to show you guys how to do the new gestures. So first things first, I am just making a new project in the VRChat Creator Companion. I'm going to be using Unity 2022 to create this test file, okay? So first things first, you're going to need this combo gesture expressions 8v3, all right? So the link for this will be in my description. But once you get to here, you're going to hit download. And then you're going to use this link to install our listing to VRChat Creator Companion. So I don't know if it'll come up. So you're going to hit the I understand and add repository. I already have it, so I don't need to do that. For this, for the Phoebe test, I'm going to show you guys all the ones that you're going to need to do. So I'm going to add them all really quick. Okay, y'all, so this is what we're going to need for our packages. So from the animation viewer all the way down to this visual expressions editor, I will take a second so that you can pause and make sure that you have all these, that you're adding them using this little plus sign on the right to your VRChat Creator Companion package. Okay. Once you've done that, you're going to open that project up. Alrighty, so once you have that all in, obviously, hopefully you'll have your packages and everything. So I'm just gonna throw in my packages really quick just to do a test. Okay, now that we have a lot of the textures imported for just this test scroll, next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go over here and drop down this packages bar. Down here in the packages bar, you should see the combo gesture expressions beta. You'll then be dragging this up here into the scene and you'll see all this, right? Okay, so next thing you're gonna do is that now that you've dragged it over here, you are going to right click on the combo gestures expressions. Then you will be going over to prefab, unpack completely. That's important. Then you're going to go over here to default. And you're going to be hitting open editor. Down here. Okay, now that we have all of this over here, I'm going to put for my avatar descriptor to be Phoebe. Okay, so you're going to be hitting create right here on these buttons, and then it'll pop up with this visual expressions editor. The animator, we want to put in whatever your avatar's name is. You should be able to just click this little target symbol and that'll have it. Once you click that, you'll hit update. Yeah, and then hopefully it'll have everything. So then obviously you're gonna have all of these different the shapes are right here. They show you what they look like. With this, you don't do anything with it. You don't add any of these blend shapes to it. So for fist, I'm going to create that. And then under fist, while I'm clicked on it, I'm going to try and find okay, now we have the angry face on there. Then we're going to create this open. So you can do like a silly and have that all on there, right? And then maybe point, we'll do something like shock, like surprise. For victory, for the peace sign, do like a, what's wrong with, ooh, yep, we could do that. Rock and roll. You can have it be a handgun, maybe we do a sad, and then thumbs up we'll do super duper happy. Okay, so I'm just kind of running through it to go quickly with it, right? In order to see all the ones up here, we're gonna go over here to where it has like the none animator. Again, choose that. You're gonna choose Phoebe again. So it'll have all the previews there so that you can see it all in one place. If you want it to be so that they can do it on either hand, we're going to do, it's really easy. All you hit is auto set, auto set, auto set, auto set, auto set, auto set, and auto set. Well, not easy, right? It may look more complicated, but it's a lot easier than you. Okay, now we're completely done with this, so we can just right click on here and close tab. We can right click on here and close tab. We can drag our scene back up here where she belongs. Okay, now you see all these animations we have. I know that none of my textures are organized. I apologize. This is just a copy of my Phoebe model, which will be hopefully coming out soon. So we're going to creating a folder that just says expressions. Shift click for all of these new animations that we have and throw them in there. Quick aside, make sure that you have your avatar FX. So right click in your assets folder, go to create, and then go over here to animator controller. You're gonna put, for example, like you could just put FX. Or now that we're back here, we have all of these in our folder. We're gonna click over on the combo gestures expressions, and now we just have to throw in our avatar into the avatar descriptor. So I'm just gonna click on that and hit Phoebe. Should be there. Just a reminder, I think I mentioned it earlier, but make sure that you're adding component and adding the VRChat avatar descriptor to your Abby and have it clicked on in the hierarchy. Right, now that we have that all together, we're going to go back to our avatar, click on her, and then we're going to go over to playable layers and hit customize. Under FX, you're going to click it once and then it'll have the ability to throw it in there. Then you're going to throw in, drag and drop your FX. And then you're going to grab your FX and you're going to drag it over into the FX animator controller. You're then going to go over to your combo gesture expressions. You're then going to press synchronize animator FX layers. And that's literally it. Now you can just delete the combo gestures from your hierarchy if you would like to, and if you have it, you can get the gesture manager. You can go in there, you can test them all out. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It really is that simple. If you already did the old tutorial, no worries. Just delete the hands layer FX and all of the animations that you created and redo it using this method. I hope that this was useful. It's a lot simpler than it seems. It definitely feels overwhelming at first, but you got this. If you guys have any questions, please ask them below in the comments, or you can join my server where I will be a lot more likely to respond to you a lot more quicker. It's the Dolly and Pyro's Abby archive. I will also have the link to get the high animation everything so that you can have it for yourself. Thank you so much for watching and for supporting me in this channel. Be on the lookout for a new avatar coming your way soon. Bye-bye!